Hello, myself Vaishali Ransing. Today I am going to present a video on the topic a critical study of diverse human relationships in Kiran Nagarkar's fiction. Kiran Nagarkar is an Indian novelist, playwright, dramatist, screenwriter. He wrote in both languages, Marathi and English, so he is a bilingual writer. Born in 1942 at Bombay, in a very lower middle class family. He educated at Ferguson College, Pune. He wrote his first novel in Marathi, Sat Sakham Trechalis, that is published in 1974. And this novel was later on published in English as a 7 Sixes Are 43 in 1980 by Silva Sleep. And this novel brought Nagarkar early acclaim and was a landmark work in Marathi as well as in English literature. The objectives, next slide is about the objectives of the research. In this, researcher will undertake an exhaustive survey of Indian English literature. Next, he or she will examine the changing human relationship in colonial and post-colonial Indian English literature. Then, researcher will study the novels of Kiran Nagarkar along with its contemporary Indian writers in order to highlight the human relationship and Indian family culture. Next, researcher will analyze diverse aspects of human relationship in Kiran Nagarkar's fiction. Then next, he will study the Indian mythology, history, culture, pro-social relationship in Indian society through Kiran Nagarkar's novels. And finally, he will explore the family and intimate relationship in Kiran Nagarkar's writing. Next is about the hypothesis of the research. Kiran Nagarkar's fiction presents situations of crisis in human relationship which can be studied analytically. Then the next slide is about the data collection. In this, researcher will have the primary data and the secondary data. In the primary data, researcher will have the original books or the original fiction, the four novels which included in this particular thesis. First novel is Seven Sixes or 43, published in 1980. The next is Ravan and Eddy, published in 1995 by Kiran Nagarkar. Cuckold, published in 1997, and The God's Little Soldier, published in 2006. While dealing with the secondary data, researcher will have reference books, e-books, journals, magazines, and websites related to the topic will be included under the secondary data. Then here is a tentative chapterization for the research. The first chapter will include introduction. This is the introductory chapter, and in this chapter, the researcher will take the review of modern and post-colonial Indian English writers and the place of Kiran Nagarkar. Actually, under this topic, major post-colonial English writers will be discussed. To develop the theoretical framework related to the topic review of subject, related research work, journals will be consulted. After that, Kiran Nagarkar's personality, his biography, education, his writings, both from English will be handled. Then the functions of relationships will be discussed in details according to the theories of human relationship given in sociology, psychology, human resource management. Then the researcher will have the second chapter, which is based on the first novel, Seven Sixes Are 43. Then the next novel is Ravan and Eddy. Then he will move towards the Cuckold, and the last, God's Little Soldier. So all these four novels, and within these four novels, researcher is going to study the different kinds of relationships like the familial, intimate, pro-social, social, father-daughter relationship, mother and father relationship, husband-wife relationship, pro-social, homosexual. So different kinds of relationships are going to be studied through these four novels. And the last chapter is on the conclusion. So in this chapter, the researcher will analyze the fiction of Kiran Nagarkar, and the researcher will present it along with the different kinds of suggestions and the recommendations. Researcher put the systematically and analytically the synoptic view of the selected novels of Kiran Nagarkar, and it also examines the mythological, historical, cultural, pro-social relationships in Kiran Nagarkar's fiction. And last will include the bibliography. So in this bibliography, researcher will have the primary sources and the secondary sources. He will include both the sources in the bibliography, and last he will have the bibliography. So in this way, the researcher will go through this topic, a critical study of diverse human relationships in Kiran Nagarkar's fiction. Thank you.